Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about what is external CSS. Before learning the external CSS, subscribe my channel and like and comment on the video. And for watching my more videos, search my YouTube channel name Learn with Hafsa. Now, I will tell you about what is external CSS. I have told you in the previous lecture that in the external CSS, we create external file of CSS. Now, I will go to the HTML folder. Now I create here file.css. I have created here the CSS file here. It is external file. How can I link external CSS with the HTML file? Now I write here tag, and here we write style sheet. Rel is equal to style sheet, and href. Here we give the link of our file, as our file name is file.css. Okay, one thing more I am telling you, if we are creating the CSS file in some folders like this, I'm not creating it in the folder. So I want to tell you how we will give the path with the directory. In the other video you can see on my playlist, I have created there how we uh, create the file in the directories. Directory means in the folders. Okay, now I will told you I have wrote here two tags, h1 tag and p tag, like paragraph tag. Now I will write here its styling. I will write here h1 tag. uh, I will write here its color is equal to brown, and font family I will give here courier, and in the paragraph tag I will write here color. And now I will write here the size. Okay, its size is 400 px. Now I will show you in the browser what is the output of this file. Look here, I write there the learn with Hafsa in the brown color, and it is shown in the brown color, and I write the paragraph tag in the aqua blue color, and it is shown in the aqua blue color, and its size is 400 px. Thanks for watching my video. For watching my more videos, search my YouTube channel name Learn with Hafsa.
Thank for watching the video. For watching more videos, search my YouTube channel name Learn with Hafsa. Subscribe it and like the videos. Thank you.